Want to start your day feeling energized, focused, and positive? Here are 5 easy morning habits that can transform your health. First up, hydrate immediately. Start with a full glass of water to jumpstart your metabolism and rehydrate after hours of sleep. It's simple, but it works wonders. Next, get some morning sunlight. Spend 5 to 10 minutes outdoors to boost your vitamin D and regulate your circadian rhythm. This helps you get better sleep at night too. Now, stretch or move. A short stretch or yoga flow boosts circulation, warms up your muscles, and reduces aches. Your body will thank you for this small effort. Don't forget about breakfast. Eat a balanced meal focusing on protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think eggs, avocado toast, or a protein smoothie, not sugary cereals. Lastly, set an intention. Take 1 minute to set your mindset. Visualize a productive, healthy day ahead. Small habits make big changes. Start your morning strong and watch your life transform. Like and subscribe for more health tips.